Thank you so much for being with us, Mito-san. First, we had this conversation when we were in Japan last year, but maybe for our wider audience, can you tell us, how did you get started in this industry?
Yes. First of all, thank you, Emily, for giving me this opportunity to talk about agriculture. After completing my master's degree in biochemistry in the university in Nagoya, one of the major cities in Japan, I joined Sumitomo Chemical as a discovery scientist of herbicide. And since then, actually, I have been working for Sumitomo Chemical for almost 40 years. First question I got from my supervisor was the size of my rubber boots. And I actually spent whole summer testing early stage herbicide molecule in paddy rice field, where I wear my rubber boot that my boss got for me. And in fact, I did not have any experience or knowledge of crop protection product, and I have not worked in the field before. So it was a steep learning curve for me to know the importance and the power of crop protection products.
So 40 years, congratulations on that achievement, Mito-san, and from the paddy fields, which I know you still enjoy visiting, to the towers of Tokyo. What an impressive career. Now, tell me, what do you see as the innovation or technology that you think holds the biggest potential now to address our global challenges of productivity, climate action, and the protection of biodiversity?
In recent days, biorational products are drawing much attention to realize regenerative agriculture, which contribute to carbon neutrality or environmentally friendly crop protection practices. But what I would like to point out is the importance of conventional chemical solutions. We are now able to discover or develop safer conventional chemical crop protection product with lower environmental impact. So what we need is the integral approaches.
So integrated pest management really is key here when we're looking to achieve those outcomes. What do you see as the biggest barrier today in getting these technologies into the hands of farmers?
I think there are many barriers to get the technology or product out to the growers. It is becoming more and more difficult to find technologies or product which has balance between efficacy and safety or impact on environment. And the other thing is the resistance issue, such as insect disease or weed resistance. And those are now becoming a serious issue for the grower. And the discovery of new technology to solve those resistance issues is also becoming very difficult. I would say the first barrier would be discover new technologies contributing to the growers. If I were to point out one thing specifically, is the communication between crop protection product manufacturers like ourselves, academia, and growers. Those communication between stakeholders is going to be very important. And also with biorationals, growers may look at some negative side, like insufficient or lack of robustness of efficacy. But we also have technology to maximize the efficacy of biorational crop protection products. The issue is that product or technologies are out there, but growers are not necessarily aware or recognize those technologies. So the lack of such information or communication may be the barrier to get the technology out to the growers.
So bridging the communication gap with all the stakeholders, and I think that you participating in this CEO dialogue with us will support, once again, the dissemination of information and open debates around the contribution of the industry to agriculture. Thank you so much, Mito-san, for being with us.
Yeah, thank you, Emily.